Hey, David Oliver here with Rain Networks. Today, I want to show you how you can set up the DataMotion account directly via POP through Outlook today. You want to make sure Outlook is closed and that you come to the control panel. It's crucial that Outlook is closed because when you come to this mail section in the control panel and you click on email accounts, and then you click new, which we will in just a second, it will load up the newer type of Outlook wizard, and we want the old one. So that's why Outlook needs to be closed. So it is. I'm going to click email accounts, and I'm going to click new on this next page here. Decides to load. There we go. I'll click new here. And what we're going to do is we are going to put in what we would, if we send a secure email, what's going to show up. I'm going to put in my secure email address, rainnetworks.com. We're going to type in the password to our DataMotion account on the next page here. I'm going to go ahead and click on next. I'm going to go ahead and click on POP or IMAP here. The email address will be the same as the username here. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. The incoming mail server is ssl.datamotion.com. The outgoing is smtp.datamotion.com. This is your DataMotion password. So I'll go ahead and put mine in there. So let me do that. I like to change this. I clicked on more settings right there. I like to change this to DataMotion Secure Mail. And this is what will show up as the account name here shortly. And then your outgoing SMTP, we want to check and leave this on the first radio button there. And then in the advanced, we want to tick this first box. We're going to want to change to start TLS here. And then we're going to want to change the outgoing port of 587. You can leave this ticked on here if you want to like auto clean up the messages on the server after a amount of days. I'll go ahead and untick it and just leave a copy on there and go ahead and hit OK. And then we'll click on next. And it's going to do a test. It looks like it's completed. If anything goes wrong here, it's probably because you put in the wrong password there. So we'll go ahead and hit close here. And that's all we have to do to set that up. We're going to go ahead and launch Outlook now and just see our DataMotion account connected without the plugin and connecting it directly via the POP method. Personally, I like to run this because I personally don't like plugins to load my Outlook. I feel like Outlook can be sluggish on its own. So the less plugins, the better for me. And if I come to the side over here or just click on new email here in a second, and I click the from drop down, I have my DataMotion Secure Mail in there, and this will come from our DataMotion Secure Mail server. So I can just put in somebody's email address, hit test, and since I'm coming from my DataMotion Secure Mail, I could just go ahead and hit send. So it's different from this button here. This is the plugin, which we have another video on if you want to know how to install that. So thanks. That's all I got for this video. We'll see you on the next time.